Okay, this is going to be a very short and quick audio and visual quality test. For the microphone, which is really what I'm testing out right now, is the Sennheiser MKE 200 miniature shotgun microphone. We're using this without the included windscreen slash windsock because we are shooting this handheld indoors right now. For the camcorder itself, this is a Canon Vixia HF G50. We are shooting this in 4K UHD at 30 frames per second. It's going to be a raw and direct upload directly to YouTube. Our internal audio levels right now are all set to automatic, so the camcorder is deciding our audio levels. I'm an arm's length away from the camera itself, and the microphone itself, let's say it's about 1.5 feet away. Once again, that's the Sennheiser MKE 200 miniature shotgun microphone connected directly into the 3.5mm microphone input jack in the Canon Vixia HF G50. Today's date is Saturday, January the 8th in the year 2022.